So you're thinking about freelancing. Let's map out your first year.
Yeah, this is a big one, right? The unpredictable income. And look, you're definitely not alone. It's the number one fear for most freelancers. But what if we could flip that? It's time to ditch that scarcity mindset. It all starts by shifting your perspective to one of surplus. And the timing couldn't be better. Seriously, the freelance economy is booming. Okay, so with all this opportunity, where do you even start? Let's get strategic. First things first, you gotta pick a niche. Don't try to be a generalist. Think of it this way. You want to fish in a small pond, not a vast ocean. It's a simple three-step process. Find an industry, find their pain, and become their solution. All right, with your niche picked, it's time to build your toolbox. You just need three key things: a great portfolio, your allies, and a solid process. And your portfolio, it just has to show what's possible. You can even use fake brands. Okay, let's talk about the scary part: pricing. How do you figure it out? There's actually a pretty simple formula. It's your overhead plus value times your expertise. And remember this, that price you calculate, it's your floor, not a ceiling. So you're all set up: niche, tools, price. But how do you get that first client? You start with your allies. These are the people who already know you and trust you. Just send out a simple professional email asking for connections. That's it. Great, you got a lead. Now the real goal is to actually close the deal. Here's the secret. It's not about being the best at what you do. It's about being the best communicator. The author learned this the hard way by talking for 20 minutes straight without asking a thing. And if a client pushes back on price, never lower your fee. Just change the scope of work. All right, to wrap up, here are two guiding principles for the long haul. You've got the roadmap. The only question left is, what's your first step?